Everybody, welcome back to Tech and Prep. This is a quick tech video, interesting with the war going on right now. There is an interesting report out about reservists that were killed in Kuwait a few weeks ago. They were targeted using what's called ad tech, and basically what happens is they were able to trace their movements to the port and verify where the port was. This is not new information. This is stuff that happened a long time ago. Back in 2018, there were fitness trackers that were used and the data was breached, and we'll call it enemy forces, we'll call it enemies of the state, were able to use the fitness trackers to map where the actual base was. So they were able to actually go around and figure out, I'll zoom in here for a little bit, the perimeter of the base. And they could figure out where stuff like the base exchange, the BO or the PO was, or where the commissary was, or where the cafeteria was, or where special places were. So if they knew who you were and they knew that you were a high ranking person and you spent most of your time in this one little area, that was probably where the headquarters was or where the skiff was. A skiff is a protected room. Think about the size of a shipping container, usually something along those lines, that no signals can get in or out of except for ones that they have usually their hardline in with either Cat 5, Cat 6, fiber optic cable, whatever the case may be. And those are like where all the serious meetings go. You see them in the movies, right? A skiff. And then this happened again. So this was something that was from 2018. If you notice here, 2018. But then here's one from September 11th, 2025, where they were able to use fitness trackers again to figure out the perimeters of foreign bases in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Syria, supply routes and patrol paths leading in and out of the bases, and the patterns of life, how soldiers, contractors, and security staff move daily. So this is your personal data on your fitness tracker, your Apple Watch, your whatever it is, and they're not breaching the device itself. They're not breaching Apple itself. They're breaching the actual data that's being relayed via this fitness tracker, and they're able to do this. Imagine the implications of that. All right, I want to keep this video short. See you on the next one.